I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Wallet and confirming Apple Cash is active and funded. You need identity verification completed. Once done, set Apple Cash as your default Apple Pay card in settings so Doordash sees it automatically. Make sure both iOS and the Doordash app are updated to the latest versions. Outdated software often blocks Apple Pay. Now head into the Doordash app and find an order to prepare for checkout. Don't skip confirming your balance first. At checkout, choose Apple Pay when Doordash shows payment options. Because you set Apple Cash as your default, it will appear as the Apple Pay funding source. If Apple Cash does not appear, tap the card selector inside Apple Pay and pick Apple Cash manually. Then authorize the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This completes the transaction using Apple Cash. Make sure the order total is within your Apple Cash balance to avoid fallback to another card. After authorization, confirm Doordash shows the order confirmation and check Wallet for the Apple Pay transaction record. If Apple Cash wasn't available, close Doordash, restart your iPhone, then reopen and repeat checkout. That refresh often fixes transient Apple Pay issues. If problems persist, verify your region supports Apple Cash, your identity verification is complete, and your Apple Cash balance covers the total. Contact Apple support only after these steps, since most issues resolve with restart or settings fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.